Answer the following questions. What did the husband want to buy? The husband wanted to buy a few cows. What plans did the wife make? The wife made plans to prepare plenty of dahi, butter and ghee. She would use one earthen pot for milk, one for dahi and one for butter. She would put the ghee in a jar. She would use the remaining pot to send milk to her sister. What did the husband want to do with the extra milk? The husband wanted to sell the extra milk in the market. What did Gopal Band say he was doing? Gopal Band asked the arguing couple to move aside and said that he had to drive away the couple's greedy cows, who had wandered and ruined his field of beans and cucumbers. Did Gopal Band have a field? No, Gopal Band did not have a field. He just pretended to have one to teach the couple a lesson. What did Gopal Band want to tell the husband and wife? Gopal Band wanted to tell them that they should not argue over something that they do not even have. They should live in the present. What is the difference between a dream and a daydream? A dream is something that one has at night when one is asleep. A daydream comes to one's mind during the day when one is wide awake. Write about your own daydream in short. My own daydream is about becoming a big doctor and fighting diseases like cancer. I dream about how I will cure people of this disease and how they will be grateful to me. In my daydream, I even see people thinking about me as a god with great powers. Discuss in groups of 5 the occasions on which you can use each of the following expressions. List at least 3 occasions each. That's true. Wouldn't it be lovely? Just try stopping me. That's true. When we are discussing something serious like the problem of deforestation, when we are discussing the importance of examinations, when we are talking about physical exercise, for example, we must play outdoor games regularly. That's true. Wouldn't it be lovely? When someone is talking about cancelling all tests, when someone is hoping to play day and night, when the talk comes up about hating whatever one wishes, for example, the education department is thinking about cancelling all tests for standard 5 students. Wouldn't that be lovely? Just try stopping me. When plans are being made for a picnic, when a friend's birthday party is being discussed, when one is asked to come for ice cream, for example, we are going to VR Lake for a picnic. Are you coming? Just try stopping me. A phrase is a meaningful group of words. For example, one day, some extra money, a few cows, all the milk. From the story, find at least 3 phrases each that begin with or include each of the articles. A. A pot full of milk, a stout stick in a corner. An. An angry man, an empty pot, an idle conversation, an highbrow. The. All the hard work, the earthen pots, all the commotion. Choose A or an correctly and fill in the blanks. Dash earthen pot. An earthen pot. Dash cow. A cow. Dash jar. A jar. Dash sister. A sister. Dash stout stick. A stout stick. Dash lovely field. A lovely field. Dash eyebrow. An eyebrow. Write the plural forms of the following: cow, cows, pot, pots, jar, jars, sister, sisters, market, markets, drop, drops, stick, sticks, corner, corners, field, fields, cucumber, cucumber. You meanings: idle, useless, something you do without reason. Earthen, made of baked clay or mud. Commotion, a lot of noise, confusion and excitement. Stout, stick. Swish, move quickly through the air, making a soft sound. Pound, hit with great force. Astounded, very surprised. Antics, silly or unusual way of something. Ruined, damaged, wielding, carrying and using something.